Hello, my name is Joao, and this is the second episode of my series of podcast, Building with Joao in Public. So last week I shared my first episode, so I was quite nervous in the beginning, but it went out very well, got quite some good feedback from people, encouraging and keep doing this type of sharings. So here I am for my second episode. Last week I shared why I'm doing this type of episode. And one of the big reasons is that I'm building in public. And because of that, I really want to share more what I'm doing and the learnings that I'm getting from these activities that I'm doing on building my products. And at the same time, try to influence more people to build more products in public. I've already gained a lot from this community, so I'm just trying to give back a little bit. We also talked about the importance of monorepos in the development of projects and how I got benefit from this type of approach of having a single repo for all your code for a certain product and the synergy that you can have by having just single repo. That was about last episode. So on this episode, I want to talk what I've worked last week or during these last few days on TrailerWave. I've been working on two main parts because, as I mentioned also in the previous episode, I'm doing an outreach campaign for TrailerWave. Basically, I'm generating some automatic videos for Shopify stores that I found on internet, create some personalized videos for one of their products and sending them automatically via email. But one of the capabilities of TrailerWave is that you can edit the videos afterwards. So after you created and generated the videos, you could edit them. But if I'm outreaching to them, there was no possibilities for the person that is receiving the video to edit that video. So that's one of the big features that I've implemented. With this, I tried to see if people could get the value of the product as soon as they get the product into their hands. So just generating a video, most of the times it's not perfect for the first time that it's generated. So you always require some small edits, some tweaks here and there. And that's the way I'm trying to get that value to the people that are receiving the video. Is when they got the video, they have a button edit video and they could simply add this to their dashboard and edit them. They just need to log in with their email and then they can start editing the video and play with it. It was not very challenging technical wise to do this task. It was even pretty simple indeed because it was simply duplicating a video and change the ownership of the video for that new participant that was logging in. So I was thinking that it could be much more complex than what it ended up to be. So one also learning from this is don't overthink the solutions. Of course, it could have been a little bit better implemented and deeply integrated. It's more sophisticated, but the way it is to validate, it's more than enough. So don't over-engineer it. Don't overthink too much. Just implement it and then see what people have to say and iterate on top of that. That was one of the things that I've worked on this week. The other point was also to try to give the value quicker to the people that it's trying out TrailerWave. So we got some feedback that people need to pay in order to get the feedback or to try out the tool and see if it works or not, if it fits their needs or not, because we didn't have any free trial. So that's one of the things that we introduced now is that you now can generate a video for free with TrailerWave and simply put the URL. Then you can create a video for free. You also need to log in. So technically the way I implemented it is that when you introduce the video, when you add the URL to the video, then it will force you to log in. So it will send you a login email automatically. So you need to add the video, then you add your email, all the parameters to generate a new video, and then it will send you a magic link for you to connect. And once you connect, it will send you back to the generate video to make sure instead of automatically generating the video directly, it goes to the same page where, okay, yes, I really want to generate this video, and it will generate the promo video for that product that you have just given, and you confirm it. The way we did it is also that once you log in, once we create a customer, because we have two types of entities. We have one entity which is the user, and then we have another entity which is the customer, which has the relation to Stripe. But in this case, we don't have Stripe yet. So what we did is that we create a customer as well for that participant or that person that it's using it. I'm always calling participant because I have the issues from weirdly with everybody was a participant. So always coming back to this participant word, but I will eventually move to user or another name that fits better the user itself. Okay, coming back to the point. So we have this customer and then we have the user and we create a customer that doesn't have a Stripe relation. But in this object, the customer object, we automatically credit by 1. So that they can automatically generate a video for free. So we keep the same mechanism. The only thing that we introduce is, okay, instead of generating the video automatically and then send you an email, it sends you first an email, which is the same function as the sign-in. With Next.js, it's very easy. You can just call the next house. You can just call the sign-in method telling that it's an email login, and it will keep the same flow for the sign-in process. We could have changed also the email itself, but for now, just keep the same login email instead of having a new email to confirm the generation of your video. No, it's just a magic link to log in. Keep it simple in the beginning, and then if people use it, then iterate it afterwards. Yeah, it was also technical. It was simpler than what I thought initially, so maybe we could have implemented it earlier. We were not sure in the beginning if we should have it a free version or not, but clearly people try to use it, but they don't want to pay. They want first to see the value, and then once they see the value, then they can use it. So the free trial in this type of product seems to be very important and needed, and that's what we introduce now and hope to have it or to see if they will have some effects or not. Let's hope that it will work. Together with that, we're also introducing more capabilities for people to change and edit and create free videos. So we want also to be aware of what's going on. We didn't have any notification system in place. So we simply created a channel or a group chat in Telegram. And in some cases, we just send notifications to our channel when something is happening. Like for example, that someone tries a first video and see if they enter the video and then they sign in and confirm the email. Before that, we get the notification. Then once the video is being generated, we get another notification. These 2 notifications are important for us to keep aware of what's going on. And with Telegram, it's very easy to do. Just send a message to your chat and there you go. Also linked to these notifications, something that we have not yet worked on, but we want to work in the near future, is to use some tracking and some events. We've heard a lot of people talking about post-hoc, so it's probably something that we're going to try to see. I've used in the past Mixpanel, which was really good as well, so that's another option. Let's see, not yet sure, but also plausible and simple analytics are also some other options that we can use. Let's see, still need to see, but tracking is very important to know, to be aware of what's going on and how people are using it. Very important for us. Yeah, these were the main points for this week. We still don't have very good traction or what we wanted. So we need still to keep finding new customers, keeping with this outreach and see where we can go. This week I'm a little bit off, so not fully working, but just partially. So also not going full speed on what I wanted, but at least keep doing some things here and there and keep shipping always something every day and see where we can bring Trailer Wave together with Andrew. I hope you enjoyed this second episode, and we'll keep sharing my weekly updates and want also to hear from you what you think about it. If this is useful, it's too long, too short, really provide your feedback. Just say hi and what you think about it. Be honest. And this will really help me learn from what people like to listen and what I can share and provide some value to all of you. So have a good day and thank you very much.